Good morning, beautiful people. Today is Saturday, the 30th of July, and it's currently 9:25. Normally, what I do on Saturdays is that I kind of like reset for the week. I prep myself for the week, and I also review the previous week, which ends today, and I prep for the week which starts tomorrow. So today I thought to myself that why can't I just, bring everyone along with me. So today is not like, I don't know if today is going to be like the typical Saturday, or maybe it's going to be. To be honest, I don't have like a specific thing I do on Saturday. It depends on what I have to do overall. That is what determines what I'll be doing on each Saturday. But today would be, doing laundry, we'll be deep cleaning my house together, and I really wanted to bring you guys along with me. In a video aside from this video that I'm recording, I'll be reviewing my last week and I'll be prepping for this week, if you know what I mean. I'll be reviewing my last week and I'll be prepping for this week. I would also be prepping meal for the week. I don't know if I'm going to get to that because recently I've not really been feeling like cooking, but we'll see. I'll be prepping meal for the week, and I'll just be preparing for the week. I really don't have much to do. I'm also going to try to see if I can pick up a book to read, but to be honest, I really don't have much to do for this Saturday, but we'll see. I feel like I'm saying I don't have much to do while I have much to do. I would also be going to the gym. I forgot to talk about that because your girl is trying to keep fit. As you can see, your girl is trying to keep fit, and to be honest, like, I feel like the gym is kind of like helpful to me. Aside from the fact that it keeps me fit, it also helps me to get active. So I'm like, why not? If something is changing your life, why not? If not. So yeah, that's basically it. I don't know what I'm saying in this intro, but I'm like, I just want you people to experience this Saturday with me. I want you to experience this Saturday reset with me. My house is currently a mess, but we'll clean it together. We will clean it together with you people here with me. So basically what I want to do right now is to brush my teeth, since it's currently around 9 already, to brush my teeth and kind of find something to eat. Then we get into the details of today. Okay, so just stay here with me. Apparently I said I was going to eat, but to be honest, I don't know what I want to eat. Do you know that like, we've been doing this brushing thing wrong, because when you brush your teeth, you're not supposed to rinse your mouth with water. You're supposed to use mouthwash. So basically I use this. Normally, I'm not even going to lie, I use Listerine, but I read a lot of review online and people said like this is kind of the deal, so I got this, and to be honest, I've been loving it, so why not? If not, toilet bleach in there right now. I use Clorox bowl cleaner, so I'm just going to put it there and kind of like leave it and come back to wash it later, since I feel like we are deep cleaning my house. I feel like I have a lot of things to do today and I woke up late and I feel like I still did not get enough sleep because I went to bed around 4 and I eventually got up around 9, but we'll see the things I'm able to achieve today. Now I am in the kitchen I'm trying to figure out what I want to cook. What should I cook, girl? And I think this is just like the easiest thing to cook. Oh, I don't have what's this thing called? Why can't I just toast bread? I'm making the easy meal because we are toasting bread, because you can't kill yourself. So I'm going to toast bread so that I get little energy. Then we do the cooking later, because there's a lot of work to do, and you know, you cannot spend the early hours of the morning trying to cook when you have a lot of things to do. So I'm just going to toast bread right now. Get my burger. To be honest, I'm doing like a easy toast, because normally when I want to toast bread, I use butter, I use egg, and I use sardine. But apparently right now I don't have egg, so I don't know. I'm like, I don't want to use butter and sardine. It doesn't make any sense. So I'm just going to use only butter and bread, and we'll see how that goes. So I don't know. I feel like maybe I'm not doing this very well, but we'll still get to it. We'll do it, whether the devil likes it or not. We will do it. We will do it, because that's what stars do. Like I do. How do stars do? Like I do. That's what stars do. Like I do. So we are just gonna toast bread now, because you know, there's no time to waste time. Just disgrace yourself. Thank you. Thanks for disgracing yourself. To be honest, I feel like I don't feel like eating bread. Like, you know, when you just force yourself to want to eat something. That's how I feel. Should I eat bread? Should I not? I'll eat bread, because apparently there's nothing else for me to eat. Except I want to walk hungry. You see, that is how my life is, though, in deciding what I really want to do in my life. I am indecisive. That's why, like, as much as so, like, the thing is, you don't ever take me on a impromptu shopping. Like, don't you ever. Don't you ever. Impromptu shopping is not me. Not my kind of thing. Also, I feel like I've been eating a lot of, well, me mind, you eat today, you go to gym tomorrow, okay? That's a lot of butter, girl. That's a lot of butter. So well, my food is ready and I'm about to munch on it. But I wanted to ask a question. Am I the only one that doesn't really like too hot tea? Like, when I take too hot tea, it kind of like makes me weak. Am I the only one, or do I have a sister or a brother? Do I? If I do, put it in the comment section. Not like I don't take hot tea, but like if it's kind of so hot, I just kind of get weak. So if you're like me, put it in the comment section. And if you think something is wrong with me, let me also know, because I don't take too hot thing. I don't be taking that shit, man. This looks good. Anyway, I'm saying like I cooked anything. It's just bread. It's just toast bread. Gosh. Well, I am done, and we have a lot of things to do. But I think something that would really help me in today's video is trying to multitask, like kind of trying to do laundry while cleaning the house. I think that is really going to be helpful, and it's going to help me to maximize time. So I guess that's what I'm gonna do, because I have a lot of things to do today, and particularly because like I'll be shooting the video outside, even though I know this is summer and it doesn't get dark until like 9 and everything, but I still need like the sun to be out. I don't want like the sunset kind of thing. I don't know if you understand what I mean. I don't want the sunset kind of thing, so I still need the sun to be out, and I cannot go out to shoot that video without first of all cleaning my house, because if I go out to shoot that video and I did not clean my house, trust me, like this house is just going to be like this for the next 1 week, and it doesn't make sense, because this is not where I am. Besides, I don't thrive in an environment that is kind of looking rough and not looking okay. So I'm just like, I need to like get it all together today, because I literally don't like multitasking. But I'm telling myself right now that, girl, you need to get the shit together, because you have to think of ways you can do things efficiently, which is like thinking of ways you can do things on time. I mean, which is a skill. Effectiveness and efficiency, which is a skill. So I'm kind of just trying to like think of ways that, you know, I can join two things together and multitask, and then such that by 2, like, I'm already done with what I have to do for the day. But we would see. I'm just going to rest for like 2 minutes, and I will let you know when we start the cleaning, because we are all cleaning together. I'll let you know when we start the cleaning. I'm back, and I need to sort my laundry. As you can see, this is my laundry room, kind of like very tiny ass laundry room, because I don't know why I have 2 rooms and then the laundry is kind of like very tiny, but it's all good. Let me switch on the light so you guys can see. I don't know, like every time I want to wash, I have clothes in the dryer, because a girl is just too lazy to arrange her clothes. Well, gosh, I'm so tired. So it's currently 11:01, and I'm done cleaning my room, and this is what we are looking like. These are like my journals and my daily devotional, and that's my heater on the floor. This is another wall. I know if you've been watching my video, you would have seen this background in my video. I have Today Be That Girl You Admire So Much. Yeah, I have Exist Loudly, Do What You Love, because like normal postcard, I designed this myself, but like I got this from somewhere, and then this is like something that my friend made for me when I was living in Nigeria. So I'm just like, you know, I'm a word person. Like, if you know me, if you ever want to get me something, just get me something that has to do with word. I'm a word person. Okay, the next place we want to move to is the bathroom. There's really nothing much to do in the bathroom. It's just for me to clear this table, to clear the mess going on here, to clean this mirror, to clean the surface, to clean the zinc, and to dance that I cannot dance, but like I'm feeling this jam. I'm really feeling this jam. God, hey, hey. Okay, girl, start walking. So I know the last time y'all saw me, I was cleaning the house, but now I'm done and I'm about to go have my bath right now. But I just really wanted to show you the work I did. Like, take a look. Takalok. My house is looking like a sensible person's house right now. So, yes, tell me how I will not thrive in this environment. Tell me how I will not thrive in this environment. I need to be honest with you all. I'm done prepping for the week, and to be honest, I feel like I don't really have a lot of things to do today, because naturally, like, I kind of feel grumpy, but I feel like I've achieved a lot of things, because cleaning this house is a lot and is an achievement. And if I'm unable to record because I cleaned the house, it is completely fine. I know I'm kind of like consoling myself right now, but it's also completely fine, particularly considering the fact that I will still be going to the gym later today, which is kind of like a lot, because if I go out and do the tour, I'm going to really walk, and I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to try and get something to eat, since I did not cook and I'm back. I think I'm just going to end the vlog. So I mean, that's my reset routine. I did my laundry, kept my house clean, I planned my week, and who knows, I might still do the video, and I'll also show you a video of me going to the gym.
One eternity later.
Came back, and this is what I got. This is what I got. So yeah, this is what I got, and this is what I'll be eating. This is milkshake. This is mashed potato bowl with cheese and chicken, and that's fruit plate. So I'm eating healthy, and then I'll be watching Netflix. So I guess we'll end the vlog here. I'll go to the gym later this evening and I will insert the video, but I guess we'll end the vlog here, because after this I'm just going to go to sleep. So yeah, do not forget to give my video a thumbs up. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till I see you in my next vlog or video. Love you so much. Bye.